So what's the difference between an addition problem, like over here, where you've got some plus or minuses, and a multiplication problem, like over here, where you've got all these parentheses? Well, a couple different rules. An addition problem, it's all about like terms, it's all about matching. We look at the variable terms and think which ones match. Over here, we have one term with x to the third. We have another term with x to the third. So, when we see this, we add or subtract the coefficients, the big numbers, and leave the variables alone. So, you see this, -2, -3, make -5, x to the third stays the same. What happens to our 4x squared? Anything match up there? Nope, so we just leave 4x squared. When you see these variables that don't match, that means the problem is done. We can't go any farther. Over here, we've got something a bit different with our multiplication. Here the rule is you multiply the coefficients, the big numbers, and you add the exponents, the little numbers. So, big numbers, -2, +4, +3. -2 times 4 is -8, times 3 is -24. Now we look at our exponents and add them up. For x, we got 3 plus 2 plus 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. X to the 8th. Variables don't change here when you match like terms, but they do change when you multiply over here. Let's look at another one. Problem with both at the same time. We get this problem. We've got a whole bunch of multiplication to do before we do our addition here. So we want to look at two separate parts. We're going to look at this part over here to the left of the plus sign, and we want to look at this part here to the right of the plus sign. So let me just put that plus sign down here. A little math on the left, a little math on the right, and then we add them up if it matches. First box, big number, 4. Nothing to multiply, 4. For A, let's count them up or add the exponents. Remember to add an exponent of 1. If there is no exponent, just a to the first. So 4 plus 1 plus 2, a to the 7th. Over here, big numbers, coefficients. -2 times 6 is -12. For my variable a, we add them up. 3 plus 3 plus 1 is a to the 7th. Then we got a little addition problem here, and we notice, look at this. My variable parts match. That means these are like terms, so we're allowed to add the 4 and the -12. We say add, but really, 4 plus -12 is -8, and the variables stay the same. A to the 7th matches in our answer. And that's it. Problem done.